Microsoft Teams is an app that's available to you through your Office 365 suite and is a digital hub that you can use in your classroom. A team is a place for a group of people to share conversations, files, and tools all within the same place. As a teacher, you can create a team to use with your class, and it provides a built-in OneNote class notebook, a discussion platform, and an assignment feature where you can digitally assign and collect work. To create a team, you will log into your Office 365 account and then go and select the Teams icon. Once your Teams application is launched, you will want to click on the Teams icon from the left toolbar. These are all teams that I have previously created. Most of you will not see anything in your Teams homepage because this will be the first time you're creating a new team. So to create a new team, you're going to click the Join or Create Team from the upper right-hand corner, and the two options that are available are to create a new team or to join a team with a code. Being that we're creating a team, we're going to click on the purple button. We are then going to choose the class icon to create a team that's designed specifically for classroom use. This is going to provide you with features such as a class notebook and a built-in assignments feature. You're going to then create your first team by giving it a name. So the following is the naming convention that should be used when you create your teams, and it would be your last name followed by the year, the class that you're teaching, and the period. And that would really apply to secondary schools. If you're an elementary school teacher, you would put in your last name followed by the year and the grade that you teach. So for instance here, I would do Kelly, the year is 2020, and if I was teaching an English 10 class, and then I would put the period that I was teaching that class. Once you've selected the name of your team using the naming convention, you can go ahead and click the Next button, and it's going to begin creating the team. To add students to your class, you will have two options. The first one is you can individually type students' names in to the field where it says Search for Students, or you can skip this part and provide students with a group code to join your team. If you would like to individually add students, you would click in the field and begin typing in their last name, and you would choose the student that you would like from the drop-down list. If you have a teacher you would do the same thing by clicking on the Teacher tab, and this would be if you have an inclusion teacher or a co-teacher in your class, or somebody that's teaching the same subject as you that you would like to join into your team. If you click the Skip button, it's going to set up your team, and this is going to be the screen that you will see. In order to provide your students with the code, you're going to need to click on the three dots or the ellipse next to the name of your team. From there, you're going to want to click on the Settings wheel where it says Manage Team. You'll click on the top tab for Settings, and from there you're going to see an arrow to open up to find your team code. A team code hasn't been generated yet because it's the first time I'm accessing this, so I'm going to click on the Generate button and it will automatically create a code. I can then provide this to my students and they can put this code in to join your team. To have your students join the team using the code that you provide, they will log onto their Office 365 account the same way that you did and click on the Teams icon. Once they click on the Teams icon, they will be brought to their home screen. And if they're not at their home screen, they can click on the Teams button from the left bar, and they will click on the Join or Create a Team. So they'll put their code here. They'll hit Join Team, and it will bring them into the home screen of the new team that you've created. If you would like help getting started using Teams, feel free to reach out to one of us and we will walk you through the steps.